Christine, ikaw na ang kausap ko. Yung asawa mo, dinala ka sa Switzerland para makabili siya ng mga bagay na gusto niya. Switzerland was not a vacation. It was merely a ruse. A trick so that he can buy habang distracted ka.
This message is for Monica Niemann, wife of Ari Niemann. Monica, listen to me. Hindi mapapagkatiwalaan ang asawa mo. He's been lying for years. Every single one of his keyboard. Every single one. Binili niya. Walang sponsored, walang binigay, walang nakuha, walang napanalunan sa raffle.
Hello, Monica.
Hi, Christine. Thanks for reaching out.
Girlie. Simple, Bering. Katabi mo.